What's going on, guys? All Wheel DSM here. Today I'm going to be breaking down the engine a little bit while it's in the car. So just like the valve cover, exhaust, manifold, intake manifold, stuff like that. I was going to rebuild the throttle body. It's sitting over here on the workbench. But of course AutoZone likes to fuck me. And they said the repair kit was going to be here today. It's actually going to be here tomorrow, but what can you do? So we're going to get started on that, and let's get to it. So first thing we do when we work on the Starion is I'm still clearing out some spiders because God hates me and gave me a spider car. But if you live anywhere near a body of water, or really if you let a car sit and it's summer and it's real mild out, you're gonna get some kind of critter. I was just unfortunate enough to get spiders. God, I fucking hate spiders. They're black widows too, because New Mexico is not kind. So we need, I don't like spraying like pesticides around it. I know I was probably gonna get some flack for that, but I don't know. Since I'm by the car and shit, I don't really like to spray pesticides, and water will eventually clear them out. So see if we can get some good footage. Watch. See under there all those spider webs? Come on out, spiders. Last time I did this, a black widow and a wolf spider actually came out over this brake rotor, and they just kind of ran past each other. I don't know, that was kind of cool. But let's give them one more dousing. Get under here too. God, I need a shop. More like, I would have a shop if people in my town, if there were actually buildings for a shop to rent. You know, I'm still in college and shit, so I can't just, you know, go up and build a shop. So I've been looking for one to rent, but there are absolutely zero in my town, and that's really sad. Because I really need a shop. Bad. Alright, Spidey. It's really bad over there. Alright. So that's done with. Eventually they'll clear out of here. So we're going to start on that breakdown. These are black widow babies. They are dead black widow babies. It was Rapture Day. It was Rapture Day. Bitches. I am the spider exterminator. that was a monster. Every bolt came, or every nut came out smooth, except for that one right there, because it is like impossible to get to if the motor's in the car, but we got it. So I found something I knew that I was gonna find. Every runner has, let me show you. Has the beginning of that varnish in it. Like it's thick. See it? It's all. That's not good. So this whole cylinder head, the valves are probably caked in it too. So I think I'm gonna have the head shipped to go get hot tanked and checked over, because that's not good. But I did find a Felpro intake manifold gasket, so I don't know if this engine has been remanned or what. I don't know, maybe they just had to take the intake off for some reason. We'll discover the rest when we take the entire head off, and we still got to get the turbo off too and all that. But so yeah, it's all varnish in here, or I guess the beginning of varnish in here. See, and it's all yeah, this entire thing's got to get hot tanked. Oh well, let's go ahead and get that exhaust manifold off now. Alright, so we got this off. Discovered a couple things. Knock sensor right there. Guts are exploded. I don't know how to feel about that. I kind of expected it. But oh my god, this is like the easiest turbo removal I've ever done in my entire life. This looks like it was helicoiled, actually, right here. But other than that, these are all good. Actually, I don't even know if that's a helicoil. It might just be some stud. I don't know. I'm gonna replace all the exhaust studs and all that good stuff, and all the intake manifold studs and nuts. I might be converting to bolts, actually, some ARPs. But seriously, this is the easiest I've ever had it with a car. This car wants to be fixed. This car wants to be back. So I'm happy about that. But I'm gonna need a new turbo manifold because junk, cracked, and oh yeah, what else was I gonna? Oh yeah, here's the turbo right here. There's no shaft play, but it does not want to spin freely. It might be lack of lubricant though. Ugh, camera's going all weird. I might rebuild that. Anyone know why there's a plug there? What's that for? If you could let me know in the comments, that'd be great. And I found this pretty cool. It's not a single piece, or maybe it's supposed to be a single piece and I'm just dumb and this car was wrong, but every runner has its own gasket. It's not a single thing. That's pretty cool. I don't know why I think that's pretty cool, but that's pretty cool. So look at all these spider webs and shit. Look at this big boy down here. Got ripped in half somehow, maybe by another spider. There's a spider egg right there. That scares the fuck out of me. I don't like that. But yeah, knock sensor, if that's the knock sensor, I don't know. But oh my god, the coolant lines, the oil lines, they all broke loose so easy. That was amazing. But I don't think I'm gonna be taking off the valve cover today. I don't know why, I don't really want to yet. I will though eventually. I'm gonna be taking this radiator out right now though. So there's some more filming to do right there. So let's get to that. Tell you about how much I fucking love spiders. One, let's see if we can get this. Okay, take my word for it. Oh wait, 2 and 3. 3 spider baby eggs. That's about a million. I don't know. They're about to die. Fuck! I fucking hate spiders. Like, I don't know if any of you can fucking relate, but Jesus Christ, spiders scare the shit out of me. I do not like spiders. I hate living in the Midwest because I wouldn't say Midwest. I don't know where I would lie on that regional position, but brown recluses and black widows both exist here, and they both love it here. Oh my god, it sucks, especially when you get one of these cars, then a car that's been sitting for a while, because you know it's going to be infested with them. But this is like the worst I think I've ever seen it. Just spider egg after spider egg after spider egg. But I'm gonna kill those. Hopefully they burst out. Just drop it in the antifreeze. Yeah, there's your new home. There's one. Come on, number 2. 2. Here's a little one. This is making for some good content. Just rename my channel Spider Extermination Time. Come on, get. Fine. Go. Please get off my hand. Please get off my hand. I'm begging you, get off my hand, please. Thank you. That's your home now. Oh god, that fucking smells. It stinks. This antifreeze stinks real bad. I want to pop one of these while it's in here. Alright, I think those are good. I don't think they'll survive. I mean, it's fucking ethylene glycol. What more do the spiders want? Alright. Back to work though for the video today. I don't think... I'm ending the video, so I'm not going to be taking off the valve cover today. I gotta go to work here in a second, so there's really no point. I mean, there's nothing much I could do with it anyways. And actually, I have one more question before I go. Why is the wastegate blocked off? Is that normal or is that abnormal? I would like to say that's abnormal because, or maybe not. Maybe not. Hold up. Nope, it's not. There's a Mitsubishi logo. Okay. That's weird, but whatever you want, Mitsubishi. That's strange. But sorry for probably gonna be a short video. My throttle body repair kit comes in today, so we should be expecting that. I got parts from Engine Machine Service coming in, the fusible links, so we got that coming. So yeah, we got some content. We got some content to film. But I think this was pretty productive, and it was extremely easy, which I was surprised about. Every bolt came out like butter, nothing broken. So I don't know what we're gonna do about that, honestly. Jesus Christ. Yeah. God, that stinks. Alright, but thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a good day.